Hey, we are here again with Nick. Nick has first showed us his Chevelle. Now we're going to show us his 33 Factory 5 gorgeous street rod. I mean, some people would be happy with one.
Yeah.
You get two.
This one is basically a Factory 5 33 kit with my touches. My buddy Steve painted the car, which he did an amazing job on. It's actually the same color as the Chevelle. It's tuxedo black.
Hard to get black to look this so straight and beautiful.
And the interior, I'm not done with it yet. I have the whole interior. I did the race pack on this one instead of the gauges. I made it a 5-speed with the new TKX. It's got 373s in the back. What else? It's got a 3-link. This one's also fuel injection, and also too. Stay back there.
Yeah. Oh, is it going to be a power trunk?
Yeah, no.
I knew it.
No. Watch.
Look at this. That's great. That's great. I love it.
I love that. That's on I put that on my outfit.
That is so cool. Nick, this is amazing.
Yeah, and the motor's a Blueprint 383. I think it's got like 460 horse. And I did all the red accents just to make it pop a little bit.
I love that. Yeah.
This one also has AC and heat and electric steering.
Nick, thanks so much for sharing your two beautiful rides, brother.
Thank you.